Are you looking for the best squirrel-proof bird feeder? Squirrel-proof bird feeders are a practical solution for anyone who wants to protect seeds from clever rodents while still inviting a variety of songbirds to visit. The best designs balance effectiveness with ease of use, capacity, and durability, so you can enjoy feeding birds without constantly refilling or dealing with damage. For this review, I tested 5 popular models across a range of price points and construction styles.
Product number 1. Squirrel Proof Bird Feeder. Overview. The Nizer metal feeder uses a gravity protection concept paired with a sturdy metal cage to deter squirrels while allowing small to mid-sized songbirds to feed. It offers a 3-pound capacity and a hanging mount, with rust-resistant and weatherproof features designed for outdoor use. The design emphasizes durability and a straightforward refill process, aided by a wide top opening. Performance-wise, the Nizer feeder relies on a robust metal construction and cage gaps described as 1.5 inches to block larger rodents while remaining accessible to cardinals, finches, and chickadees. In real-world use, the large capacity is beneficial for longer intervals between refills, though the gravity protection may occasionally allow larger birds to perch if they apply unusual force. The ease of cleaning is enhanced by a simple hanging installation and a top refill, but the product notes do not specify a removable tray, which could complicate waste-proof maintenance over time.
Product number 2. Squirrel Buster Plus Squirrel Proof Bird. The Brome Squirrel Buster Plus represents a premium, weight-activated design with an adjustable mechanism that closes feeding ports when a heavier load is detected. It features a 5.1-pound seed capacity, 6 ports, and a shroud system designed to align with ports for efficient feeding. Its touted strength is seed savings and robust squirrel protection via a responsive, patented weight mechanism. Performance analysis highlights that the spring-loaded, weight-adjustable shroud provides a highly responsive barrier when a squirrel clambers on, while allowing small birds to feed unobstructed. The device is pole-mountable, with an additional pole adapter sold separately, making installation flexible for various setups. However, the system relies on precise weight balance. If birds are heavy, or if the mechanism is hindered by debris, the ports may intermittently close. With a 5.1-pound capacity, maintenance between fills is reasonable for busy feeders, but the unit's moving parts will benefit from occasional lubrication and cleaning to prevent sticking.
Product number 3. Squirrel Proof Bird Feeder. Overview. The SWE metal feeder emphasizes a patented heavy-duty cage with 1.5-inch gaps designed to block squirrels while permitting cardinal and finch-sized birds. It features a 2.5-pound capacity, a locking lid, rust-resistant powder coating, and a simple hanging design with a removable base for cleaning. Performance and user experience focus on durability and vandal resistance. The locking lid and powder-coated finish suggest long-term rust resistance, and the removable base simplifies cleaning. The feeder is marketed as bird-friendly for smaller to mid-sized species, but notes that it is not 100% squirrel-proof, implying occasional breaches under persistent pressure. Its relatively modest capacity means more frequent refills, but the construction is lightweight and easy to deploy in smaller spaces.
Product number 4. Moorebirds X1 Squirrel-Proofed Bird Feeder. Overview. Moorebirds X1 feeder uses a plastic body with a 4-port configuration and a substantial 4.2-pound capacity. The design emphasizes accessibility and a new and improved claim for squirrel protection, with a wide mouth for easy filling and protective packaging. Performance considerations include a balance between durable plastic construction and practical seed capacity. The 4 ports enable decent bird traffic, and the 4.2-pound capacity reduces refills for moderate feeder activity. However, the plastic body may be more susceptible to UV degradation over time than metal equivalents, and the product's protective claim hinges on the effectiveness of the internal baffle system. User experience is favorable for quick filling and straightforward maintenance. but long-term wear may be more pronounced in harsh weather.
Product number 5. Perky Pet 336-1 SR Squirrel Be Gone. Overview. The Perky Pet Squirrel Be Gone utilizes weight-activated purchase to close access to the feeding ports when a heavy animal sits on the perch. It has a 2-pound seed capacity and a metal construction with powder-coated finish designed for rust resistance, along with a clear reservoir for seed level monitoring. Performance analysis shows the weight-activated mechanism as a straightforward, maintenance-light solution, particularly appealing to budget-conscious buyers. The via perch triggering is intuitive for stopping squirrel access, though occasional false triggering can occur if birds are perched heavy or wind causes movement. The 2-pound capacity is modest, which means more frequent refills during peak bird activity, but the price point around $24.96 makes it accessible for beginners or those testing the concept of weight-based protection.